Welcome, everyone. Today we'll cover how to prepare for a C&P exam when filing a VA disability claim for irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. We'll talk about what IBS is, when it qualifies as a presumptive condition, how VA rates it, and the best ways to present your symptoms so your claim is strong and accurate. IBS is a chronic condition that affects the large intestine. It causes abdominal pain, bloating, diarrhea, constipation, or a mix of both. Symptoms can be unpredictable and disruptive, affecting your ability to work, travel, and live a normal life. Example, statement for veterans. I deal with stomach pain almost every day. Some days I can't leave the bathroom, and other days I'm constipated for 2 or 3 days straight. It makes it hard to plan anything because I never know how my gut is going to act. IBS is recognized as a presumptive condition under the Gulf War and PACT Act rules, 38 CFR section 3.317. If you served in the Southwest Asia Theater or Afghanistan after August 2nd, 1990, and have chronic IBS lasting more than 6 months, the VA presumes it's connected to your service. That means you don't need a nexus letter, but you still need evidence of ongoing symptoms and severity. Example, statement for veterans. I served in Kuwait during Operation Iraqi Freedom. I didn't have these stomach problems before service, but ever since I came back, I've had diarrhea and cramps several times a week. My doctor diagnosed it as IBS, and it's been ongoing for years. If you don't qualify for presumptive service connection, you'll need to show three things: a current IBS diagnosis, evidence it started during or soon after service, and a medical opinion linking it to your service example statement for veterans. During my last year in the Navy, I kept going to sick call for stomach pain and diarrhea. They told me it was stress, but the symptoms never went away. Now I have a GI doctor who confirmed it's IBS and says it likely started back then. The VA rates IBS under DC 7319 with three possible ratings: 0%, symptoms are mild and infrequent; 10%, moderate IBS with frequent bowel problems, alternating diarrhea and constipation or abdominal distress; 30%, severe IBS with diarrhea or constipation, constant abdominal pain, and significant disruption to daily life. Be specific when explaining where you fall in this range. Example, statements for veterans, 10% level. I get stomach cramps a few times a week, sometimes diarrhea, sometimes constipation. I've learned to live with it, but it's always there in the background. 30% level. I have flare ups almost every day. Some days I can't leave the bathroom, and other days I go 3 days without a bowel movement. The pain is constant, and it's hard to keep a regular work schedule because of it. Tracking your symptoms is critical. Keep a diary of every flare up, noting how many times you used the bathroom, whether it was diarrhea or constipation, the pain level, and how it affected your day. A 30 to 60 day diary gives the VA concrete evidence. Example statement for veterans. Last Thursday, I had diarrhea 6 times before lunch. I couldn't leave the house all day. The day before that, I hadn't gone to the bathroom in 2 days and had severe cramping that kept me from sleeping. At your C&P exam, focus on your worst days. Don't just say, I'm fine today. Describe how IBS affects your sleep, work, travel, and social life. Mention how often flare ups happen and what they keep you from doing. Example statement for veterans. On my worst days, I'm in the bathroom 10 to 12 times, and the pain feels like stabbing cramps. I can't go out, I can't drive, and sometimes I have accidents if I can't get to a restroom quickly enough. Lay statements from family, friends, or coworkers can be powerful. They back up what you're saying and show the VA how your condition impacts daily life. Example, statements for veterans. Spouse. I see him run to the bathroom multiple times during the night. He spends hours in pain and can't sleep through the night. Coworker. He often has to leave meetings suddenly or misses work because of stomach issues. It's clear he struggles with IBS daily. To build a strong IBS claim, gather GI clinic records, colonoscopy or endoscopy reports, medication list, and history of treatment, a 30 to 60-day symptom diary, lay witness statements, deployment proof if filing as presumptive. Think of these as the building blocks that create a wall of evidence the VA can't ignore. Example statement for veterans. I've got my colonoscopy report, a list of meds I've tried, a 45-day symptom diary, and a statement from my wife. I also included proof of my deployment to Iraq during the qualifying time period. These resources explain VA rules and rating criteria. Use them so you know exactly what the VA is looking for. Example statement for veterans. I looked up DC 7319 in 38 CFR section 4.114, and based on my daily pain and constant diarrhea, I believe my symptoms meet the 30% criteria.